Let's try to do this song, Save Me. This is a good request because it's pretty beginner friendly. D to C. That's the intro. And then towards the end, a little false ending in that intro. The false ending is C. B over C. D. I'm drowning in deep night. Then the real ending is C, B over C, and then we play a B flat. I'm just playing that with the A shape, and I'm taking the A and I'm moving it to the 3rd fret. We're using delay. C major 7. The verse it goes to C, major 7 to C. So you just play C major 7 first, and then you place your index on the 1st fret and you play the C. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to do that. You could just play C if you're gonna just stick on C. That will work too. And then it goes to A minor 7. Like the same thing we're doing on the C, where we're pulling off and hammering on with our index finger. You can do that on the A minor. The guitar solo is played over the verse. You can play that guitar solo in C major, or you can play it in A minor. And then at the end of the guitar solo, it goes to G, and that's how the song